Today we are reviewing Bala Bars set of 2, which are 3 pounds each that can be used as dumbbell set for yoga, dance, bar, Pilates, cardio, aerobics, and walking. It is designed for strength and versatility. Bala Bars comes in 3 different weights ranging from 3 to 15 pounds. As opposed to traditional dumbbells, Bala Bars have a sleek, ergonomic design that provides a comfortable, user-friendly workout that even distributes the weight for a smooth, comfortable workout experience. It'll be hard to put them down once you start working out with them. This product is suitable for walking, strength training, high-intensity workout, boxing, and aerobic exercises. It is made from the best quality fitness material, steel covered with baby soft silicone that will keep you fit and healthy. This set includes the set of 2 of 3 pounds weighted bars as well as a nifty colored match carrying case. If you want to do shadow boxing, you can stand with the bars at shoulder height with underhand grip and hold them at your shoulder height. As you shadow box, adopt a fighting stance with your feet shoulder width apart and bounce on your toes with your feet shoulder width apart. Throw some controlled punches directly to the front and side of your opponent and dribble and weave all you want to your heart's content. Protect your joints in your shoulders and elbows joints by bracing your core and not using the floppy arms while you are exercising. This was review for Bala Bars set of 2 and 3 pounds.